Hey, have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth as if it's second nature, while others struggle no matter how hard they try? Here's the secret. It's not magic or luck, it's mindset. And the best part? You can actually train your brain to think and act like someone who builds wealth. Let's start with the basics. Your brain is wired to keep you safe, not rich. It loves comfort zones and familiar routines. But building wealth? That means taking smart risks, thinking long-term, and sometimes doing things that feel a little uncomfortable. So how do you rewire your brain for wealth? Let's dive in. First up, what do you believe about money? If you grew up hearing phrases like money doesn't grow on trees or rich people are greedy, your subconscious might actually be pushing wealth away. Here's a challenge. Every time you catch a negative money thought, pause and flip it. Instead of I'll never be good with money, try I'm learning to manage money better every day. Over time, your brain starts to believe it. And belief is powerful. Next, wealthy people aren't just lucky. They build habits that support their goals. Want to know a secret weapon? Automatic savings. Set up a system where a small part of your income moves into savings or investments you see it. That way, you're growing your wealth on autopilot. It's not about willpower, it's about systems. Now let's talk about the wealthiest minds are always learning. Podcasts, books, YouTube channels like this one, make it a habit to feed your brain with fresh ideas. The more you learn, the more you realize just how many ways there are to build wealth. From investing to starting a side hustle, the possibilities are endless if you keep your mind open. Okay, but what about setbacks? Here's the thing. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the process. Every wealthy person you admire has failed, probably more than once. What sets them apart is that they see every setback as a lesson, not a defeat. Next time something doesn't go your way, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? That's how you grow, both in mindset and in your bank account. Finally, surround yourself with people who inspire you. They say you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And it's true. Seek out friends, mentors, or online communities who challenge you to think bigger about money and life. Here's my challenge for you. Start today. Pick one belief, one habit, or one new idea and make it part of your routine. You're not just building wealth. You're building a smarter, stronger version of yourself. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Bright Facts. Your journey to smarter habits, smarter money, and a smarter you starts now.